Hello student, today we will start double integral in polar coordinate. In polar form beta, this one is called a national line. This one is called perpendicular line. Okay. Theta 0, theta equal to pi by 2. Let 2 beta upon curve given है r equal to function of theta and r equal to function of theta this, and evaluate f r theta function of r theta dr d theta, region bounded by these two curves. Okay, r equal to function of theta and this one r equal to f theta, and theta the value beta this one. This is minimum theta and this one is maximum theta. We find this reason. So we write double integration g theta to f theta r the value beta, and theta value theta 1 to theta 2 function of r theta dr d theta. So we find this reason beta. पूरे f1 कर लेना बेटा g1 f1 because f use beta g1 f1. So we find evaluate this in polar form beta. So we consider this. For example beta, r equal to function of theta, r equal to this beta. For example, evaluate example first. Evaluate double integration r square dr d theta over the area included between circles r equal to 2 sin theta, r equal to 4 sin theta. First beta circle beta, we find theta beta, this one theta 0, r the value 0 beta, theta pi by 2, r equal to 2, theta pi, r equal to 0. So in this case we consider okay. In second case beta r the value 4, otherwise baki okay. In theta equal to pi by 2, so we draw two circles. ठीक है बेटा, two circles, not good. So first, second, this one is a national line, this one is perpendicular line, theta 0 beta. From this we take position r, we move this one r, theta 0 r 0 beta. This one is called pole r0, then theta equal to pi by 2, r the r हो गया बेटा, r the value 2, and theta pi again r0. First this one is r equal to 2 sin theta. Next r the value 4 beta, theta 0 pi by 2, this one is r equal to 4 sin theta. This reason. So double integration beta over theta कितना सी 0, theta pi by 2, then theta pi. So beta double हो गया ना. We consider twice 0 to pi by 2 r 2 sin theta to 4 sin theta, and then r scale dr d theta. So first we solve r square. ठीक है, आर स्केयर सॉरी आर क्यूब है बेटा, हो गई आर क्यूब. वी कंसीडर दिस वन इज आर क्यूब नॉट थीटा, आर क्यूब बेटा, आर स्केयर नहीं बेटा, आर क्यूब. सो वी हैव 2 0 to pi by 2 r the 4 by 4 limit 2 sin theta to 4 sin theta d theta. So we have 4 2 by 4 1 by 2 0 to pi by 2. First 4 the power 4 sine the 4 theta minus 2 the power 4 sine the 4 theta d theta. Okay beta this one 4 the power 4 sine 4 theta कितना हो गया बेटा 256 minus 16 240 sine the 4 theta d theta 120 sine the 4 theta beta 3 1 4 2 into pi by 2. Okay beta, so we have beta this one 4 30 15 beta 45 pi by 2. Okay, clear beta first example. So beta area bound including between the circles this one. So we draw first circle theta 0 r 0 theta pi by 2 r 2 theta pi then again 0. So we draw a circle. Next beta second example. Second example. Evaluate example second. Evaluate double integration r sine theta dr d theta over the area of curve r equal to a 1 plus cos theta above the initial line, above the initial line. Okay, initial line. Initial line you know बेटा मैं दसन लगे इस तरफ पहला ड्रा कर्व r equal to a 1 plus cos theta. This one is the initial line, this one is a pole. Okay, first we put theta equal to 0, cos 0 1, r equal to 2a, this one r equal to 2a. Okay, next beta we draw next r equal to 2a, then this one is perpendicular line. Okay, theta r beta ये पॉइंट किंदा r theta, so r equal to 2a theta 0. Next theta pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0, r equal to a, so this one is r a theta pi by 2. Okay, add this one theta pi cos pi minus 1, r equal to 0, this point is r0 theta pi. Okay, and next 3 pi by 2, so this one. Okay, we find this reason. Okay, clear beta point. Okay, draw a line this r equal to 0, r the value कितनी है बेटा हो रहे a 1 plus cos theta. So बेटा अपने कितना आ गया डबल इंटीग्रेशन 0 to a 1 plus cos theta r sin theta dr d theta limit 0 to pi. Okay बेटा r equal to a 1 plus cos theta 0 to pi. So बेटा 0 to pi sin theta r ਦਾ कितना आ गया r square by 2, 0 to a 1 plus cos theta d theta. So we have 1 by 2 a square. Okay, 0 to pi sin theta 1 plus cos theta the whole square d theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta square into d theta. Next beta 1 plus cos theta the whole square into this. Put cos theta equal to t 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta d theta equal to dt. So a square by 2, put 0, cos 0 1, pi, cos pi minus, okay beta, minus 1 0. So we have minus 1 t the square and dt, minus common. So we have a square by 2, 0 to 2 t square dt. So a square by 2, t cube by 3, 0 to 2, 8 4 a square by 3. Okay beta. So beta next example number third beta. So clear है beta point. Example third. Example third. Show that double integration r square sin theta dr d theta 2a cube by 3, where r is a region bounded by semicircle r equal to 2a cos theta above the initial line. Okay बेटा, अपने ये रीजन दिता है बेटा r bounded by above the initial line. Okay, 2a cos theta, this one is the initial line. Okay, first theta 0, cos 0 1, r equal to 2a. Okay, theta pi by 2, r equal to 0. Okay, so we try this. Pi by 2 ते 0 है ना बेटा, so we draw this. This one is the initial line, this one is a perpendicular line. We draw a circle because theta equal to 0, r equal to 2a. This point is 0, sorry, r 2a, r theta beta point. This one is r 0, theta कितना बेटा pi by 2. Okay, above this one. So beta this point is 0 pi by 2. Put in this beta r, draw a line, r 0, पूरे r कितना बेटा 2a cos theta. So r square sin theta dr d theta 0 to 2a cos theta 0 to pi by 2. Okay बेटा. So we solve this 0 to pi by 2 sin theta r square the r cube by 3 0 to 2a cos theta d theta. So 8a cube by 3 0 to pi by 2 sin theta, because value put करते बेटा cos cube theta d theta. Okay, so cos theta t derivative minus sin theta d theta equal to dt. 8a cube by 3 minus, okay beta 0 1 pi by 2 0. Okay, t cube dt 8a cube by 3 limit change 0 to 1 t cube dt 8a cube by 3 t the 4 by 4 0 to 1 1 by 4 2a cube by 3. Okay beta. So beta AC question beta double integral polar coordinate beta try question. Thank you very much.